Howdy folks, today we're going to talk about something that I honestly can't believe it's taken me this long to actually talk about it, because I guess, coming from South Africa, that's probably one of the first things that hits you. I guess it's because we've been traveling for a long time and we actually haven't been in South Africa much over the last 5 years. So I guess that's the main reason. But anyway, so the topic for today is cleaning your house and keeping everything clean. It does not work like back home where you have somebody that comes in and does that for you, unless you have a serious budget. I mean, getting your house cleaned here, they're charging, I think it's about 30, I don't know. It's a lot of money, It costs you easily like $100 or $200 for somebody to come in for the day and just clean your house, and then they don't do a deep clean. It also depends on what you want. They're going to come in and dust and do all of that. So bottom line is, we've never in the last, since we left South Africa the first time 5-6 years, we've never had a cleaning lady or a cleaner that comes in. And that means the whole family has to chip in and work together, which isn't that easy when you have teenagers, but they get it and they try. So all the dishes needs to be packed in the dishwasher. That's at least one cool thing. There's a lot of tools here. So you've got a dishwasher. All the dishes must go in the dishwasher to be cleaned properly every night. And occasionally we get the systems going where the kids do the dishes in the evening and me and mommy pack them out in the morning. But those things are a little bit iffy. It lasts for a while and then suddenly it falls apart, and then mommy takes it again, and then we have to stop everything and say, whoa, mommy, leave it alone, and get everybody back on board. But we work on it, we work at it, and we try and get it done. And then for the rest of the house, so number one, you learn not to make dirty. You learn to actually keep shit clean and try and not throw stuff on the floor and just be randomly careless, because it was easy back home. You had somebody, you paid them every day they came in. When you come back from work or whatever, the house is clean, it's been vacuumed, it's all nice. Doesn't work like that here. You have to clean your own stuff. So number one, that teaches you to look after what you're doing. And number two, you just got to make time over weekends. We oftentimes take a Sunday afternoon or a Sunday morning. First we phone the grannies and speak to them, and then we quickly jump in and divvy up the tasks. One person takes toilets, one person takes vacuuming, one person takes that, and you just got to kind of work at it. But yeah, that's one thing you got to know. If you move to Canada from South Africa, I guess in most places in the world, in the US also, you don't have a maid. You don't have somebody that comes and clean your house. You can hire somebody, but it's not cheap. And you got to look after it yourself. And I think it actually teaches you a lot about what's going on. It teaches you that it is actually a sucky job. But if you've got responsibility for it, then you start caring what you do. So anyway, thought that's a good topic for the day. You all must have a good one. Cheers.